Hi guys, it's just me, Mr. Ron. Welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And thank you for all those subscribers that came over from Anne Marie's channel. She's an awesome lady. I watch many of her videos when I can, and I'm challenging her to a cook-off and see if I want to get to a split screen. She said last night on her channel that she doesn't think I could convert a lot of her meals over to low carb. I could convert any meal over to low carb. You just got to know how, what to do. So what I'm going to do is make a lasagna later on next week there, or maybe this coming weekend when I pick up some more stuff that I need, and we'll do a live video and put it up and talk about it while I'm doing a live video. And then we'll see how that goes. But what I'll do is I'll film out the whole entire video live, and then I'll prep it in the back room and finish it out in the front. And we'll come back and talk about it and show you my version. And then a regular version of lasagna is so a lot of calories and carbs, and so you want to try to stay away from that, especially if you're trying to lose weight. So as a noodle replacement, I'll replace the noodles with chicken breast or turkey breast, and I've done that many times before over my course of my journey. And this is one dish that my wife actually does eat, so I'll show you my version, and you'll be amazed. And even I said she made some really great fried chicken the other night, and I think she had like mashed potatoes and some green beans or something like that for a side vegetable. Now I can do the same type of fried chicken, but what I'm going to do for my fried chicken when I duplicate her recipe, I'm going to cut my chicken breast up in strips, and instead of using flour as my batter, I'm going to do the egg wash, and then I'll put some breadcrumbs on there, and I'll either toast them in the air fryer or I'll do it in the frying pan. And then as a potato substitute, we'll have cauliflower mash, and I'll show you how all that's done. It's very easy. So she does inspire me, and I get all my inspirations from other channelers and TV programs like Rachel Ray and the old True program, and Guy Fieri Tries and Dines. All those recipes are very easy to swap off, guys. So that's what we got going on planned. It's going really well. Today is July 19th. I decided to go to the pond today because it's a beautiful day and it's been nothing but rain, so I'm taking advantage of the day off today. Filmed out the concert last night. I'm still editing the video. Have to turn in my cameras today. Today I'm making some steak with some bacon wrap, and that should be good. We're going to do that in the air fryer. And yeah, so I'm just going to take one day as I get to it. Feet are getting better. I feel really good. Oh yeah, and I wasn't going to weigh myself to my anniversary, and I thought maybe I was picking up weight. So I weighed myself this morning. I'm down to 223. I lost 8 pounds. I don't know how the heck that happened since the last time I weighed myself, but I'll take it. So, but I've been really careful what I've been eating, and that's all it is. And I'm setting out for some another food scale, and I'm going to go through all that in my next update. But this is just a short little video. Let you know it's going good. I'll have some short little videos of Canadian or Canada geese there behind this video. But this is absolutely one of my favorite places, Barrett Park, and I come down here quite often to go fishing and walking. They got a lot of great walking trails through here, and you go to the waterfall and take video and stuff like that. And they got some different the Boy Scouts that come over here, and they set up some other displays above the waterfall that have gone over there before in the past. But I'm going to kill the video. Thank you again for coming along to my journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be watching for some more live videos. I'm going to get better doing the shorts too. I'm going to start putting up a ton of shorts. And I think what I'm going to do is just take a whole week and just film out some shorts, and maybe even see if I can go back to some of my older videos and re-edit them for some shorts and see what happens. But anyways, have an amazing day, guys. Love you. Remember, I love you. God love you. Have an amazing day.